Nisha, push the questions.
Are we live? No.
Okay, Rikhil is joining with team. Transition team is just joining. So yeah.
Let's start, Anamika.
Good evening, everyone. Happy to be alive and happy to be sharing this space with you guys after such a long time. Well, it's a special evening today, a very, very special evening because it's the Connect Sangam Awards. Special because we're meeting after such a long, long gap. I hope you've been missing me and all of us as I have been missing all of you. Uh, so we gather today to celebrate our collective wins in spite of the challenges that COVID has thrown to us. Uh, just remember that we are all winners as the evening passes. We have a fun, packed evening. Fun because I am excited about meeting all my leaders after such a long time. Excited about hearing from them. Excited to know what's going to be happening with all of us in the coming few months. We have an action-packed 1 hour. So without further ado, I invite our CEO, Neeraj Tandon, to set the ball rolling and fire up the evening. So over to you, Neeraj.
Thanks, Anamika. It's a pleasure to be here and talking to all of you. I can't see all of you, which would have been a preferred option, but at least you can hear me. I think the festive season has already started, and I hope all of you are gearing up to enjoy this season of Diwali and the rest of it, along with your friends and family. And it is my hope that disbursal of variable compensation just before Diwali has brought some cheer to you and your families. And do spend that money and have fun. This is the time of the year, colleagues, when when we do a Sangam event every year. Till last year, it used to be a gala event where we will get to see the performances and talent of our creative colleagues. We will reward high achievers, and then ended up with a gala dinner. Unfortunately, the current context does not allow us to do all of that. I mean, the gatherings are banned and beyond a certain scale, and there seems to be some kind of resurgence of the virus in some parts of the country, definitely across other parts of the globe. So, as much as it hurts, I think we are settling to doing this event digitally, and also given the time to plan. There aren't too many. Even no, there are not too many talent shows that you will get to see. But I thought that we should not let go this time of the year without celebrating our achievements and the people who have contributed significantly to the company. And of course, the MC has some fun events planned for you in the process. So without much ado, I think we should start with the evening, and I wish all of you, all the best for the continuing festival season. Hope you have a grand time. Thanks. Over to you, Anamika.
Thank you, Neeraj. Like I said, I am very excited, and yes, the compensation helped. It has at least helped virtual shopping, and that helps a lot of our businesses as well. So thank you for that, Neeraj, and thank you, Jess and team, for processing it well in time so that we can make sure our Diwali packages come in. I also have a feeling that there will be some more fun that will happen, and Jess will unfold some of the Diwali plans as time goes on. But moving on, because I'm sure everybody wants to know what the big award ceremony is for and what are the categories. So I shall hand it over to the man of the hour, my boss, Jess, and over to you, Jess.
Thank you, Anamika. It's actually really great, and I'm really happy to be with all of you to celebrate and recognize achievement and contribution of each one of you over the last 12 to 18 months. As Neeraj said, Sangam is a big event in Quest. It's one of the most awaited annual event in Quest. And as a run-up to that event, typically they organize a lot of cultural and sports events, and the top performers actually get to perform at that larger scale. And it also and the winners are recognized, so both at the cultural and sports events. In addition to that, there is also the long service awards and the performance and leadership awards, which are part of the event, the annual event. This year, because of the pandemic, most of you would have participated in some of those run-up event in virtual form. Last week we had the long service award and the 10-year people who completed 10 years. So the final performance and leadership awards will get presented on this Friday in the final Sangam event. As a precursor to that, one of the run-up event is the business level awards. So for all the award categories where the people get recognized at a global level, at a Quest level, there are also winners at a business level. These business level winners actually become the set of nominees for the Quest Global Awards. So here we are to celebrate those awards in terms of the winners at the Connect level. So if you look at these awards, it's actually focused at the kind of behaviors that Quest would want in its people, in its leaders. So it revolves around the value system or the values that Quest has, which is the people centricity, the customer focus, agility, integrity, performance orientation, and ownership. So the rewards are, or the award categories are revolving around those categories, and it kind of recognizes people who have done exemplary work, outstanding contribution in some of those areas. Okay, so that's the whole award program that we are trying to do. Let me then talk about the first category of awards. The first category of award is actually called the Special Achievers. This is a very specific thing which we have done for Connect. So here, this category actually recognizes people who have done outstanding work during these difficult times. They've contributed to the organization, to its growth, to sustaining business, supporting employees during this COVID period, and helped us minimize the impact of that on the business. And these are people who were consistently shown initiative and done some outstanding work during this period. Okay, so this is the first set of awards. All these awards, the individual awards, carries at a business level a 2,000 rupees e-voucher and a certificate. There is a team award which comes with a dinner coupon and e-vouchers, and the at a Quest global level, if any of the people get rewarded or becomes the winners, they get a 10,000 rupees e-voucher. So that's the exciting part, apart from the recognition at a organizational level, at a Quest level. So let me start with this first award, the Special Achievers. The first winner in this category is Amitabh Vartak. Over to you, to Neeraj, to talk about Amitabh's contribution during the pandemic.
Thanks, Jace. See, gentlemen, Amitabh is yet to complete his first year in the company. But within 2 weeks of his joining, we were hit by the pandemic. Amitabh literally hit the road running, took complete charge of facilities and technology, and worked tirelessly to enable work from home for people and also work from office for customers who were not willing to work from home. He worked through the police, municipal authorities, and other external stakeholders to ensure our operations were not impacted and employees were not put to any hardship. Thereafter, he played a pivotal role in getting rent waivers and rent deduction from almost all our landlords. I think most of the margins that we made in Q1 and to some extent in Q2, but because of they had large components from these negotiations. Subsequently, he made active contributions in RFP defense, presentations, prospect meetings, and client issue resolutions. He set up the centralized ops excellence teams and working across stakeholders and using internal talent created a host of dashboards and is driving productivity and excellence initiatives across the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to announce a Special Achievers Award for Amitabh Gurkar. Can we give him a big round of applause for? Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj. The next winner in this category is Dharamraj from the Tata Sky process. Nausea.
I apologize. During the lockdown, Dharam made a significant contribution to meet the goals of the process. Not only was he able to adjust quickly with his team, but he also was capable of working under extreme circumstances, some of which, of course, is the work from home, which he started within the 4th week of March with 44 agents. Sorry, I must tell you, Dharam is part of the Tata Sky team in Kolkata. And also ensured login adherence was mentioned, ensured absenteeism was less than the target, as also quality levels. Yeah. So please join me in congratulating Dharam for his contribution during the pandemic period.
Okay, congratulations, Dharam. The next winner in this and the Special Achievers category is Ashutosh Dio, AVP Facilities. I would request Amitabh to talk about Ashu's contribution.
Thanks, Jess. I think Ashutosh led the entire facilities team, which carried the responsibility of ensuring our centers were functional. Some of our businesses, unfortunately, couldn't go full swing into the work from home model, and that was a fairly daunting task for Ashu to kind of make sure that our centers remain. And what happened as an outcome was that Connect was the only company in the BPO space that managed to maintain all its centers across the country open and available for production. Along with that, as the pandemic unfolded, it brought a lot of challenges and challenges across the locations in different forms and fashion. And Ashu has been leading the team from the front. And in doing all this, he's also taken a huge amount of risk given his health conditions. But whenever and wherever required, he's been on the road, meeting people and kind of getting things done. So thank you, Ashutosh, for a phenomenal effort during this whole pandemic season.
Congrats, Ashu, once again. The next winner is Ali Haider, Vice President Technology. So, Amitabh, you can continue with.
And again, a super achiever. I think transporting 7,000 systems was one part of the story, but ensuring that 7,000 systems are up and configured and ready for production. Clients are convinced in terms of data security levels, etc., was only possible because of Haider kind of taking charge of things and directing his team. Times were difficult. We at times didn't have enough manpower, and we had to kind of move between options of remote configuration versus physical configuration. But the first half of the pandemic was largely kind of dispatching or ensuring engineers reached the homes of people and got systems up and running. Along with that, I mean, kind of several other activities kind of happened during the pandemic, bandwidth upgradations, movements, kind of configurations that were asked by clients across different businesses, etc. Haider has been kind of burning the midnight oil throughout the pandemic and even now as we speak, and in ensuring that our whole IT infrastructure continues to function at its peak and enables a smooth and a seamless operation. So thank you, Haider, for all the support during the entire pandemic.
Thank you, Amitabh. The next winner in this category is Sujata Raju TV, Senior Manager HR. She actually braved through the lockdown and came to office as soon as the unlock started, and we were able to operate our offices. And then she drove the entire recruitment process during that period. And over the last 6 months, she and her team actually managed to hire 3,800 plus people to fulfill all the requirements of various processes. And this was not an easy task at all, given that there were significant constraints where candidates were not willing to come, challenges around interviews, and on top of it, she had a significantly downsized headcount team of recruiters as well. She herself is a COVID warrior, and so was two of her team members. Thank you, Sujata, for your effort and all your contributions. Really appreciate it. Congrats once again, Sujata. The last winner in this category is Anamika Sharma Iyer, Associate Vice President, Corporate Communication and CSR. When COVID hit, I think she was one of the first persons to start the entire process of communication, driving the entire initiative, where she kept people updated on what are the do's and don'ts. She initiated the entire COVID helpline and managed it, reached out to various industry bodies and liaised with them to get updates on what are the policies that are in place, what are the guidelines that we need to follow, and also in some cases influence them to get some approvals. She continued to reach out to the Weaver community and the school kids and teachers who were supported under the CSR initiative and ensured that their life was not impacted significantly. She made personal sacrifices to ensure work didn't get impacted at all. Thank you, Anamika. Thanks a lot for all your contribution. Congratulations, Anamika. Okay, this kind of ends the first set of awards. Now let's move to the next category of awards, which is the Customer Champion Award. Customer Champion Award is primarily given to people who have been in regular touch with client, ensuring that they are deeply connected. They actually are the true trusted advisors for clients. And they reach out to clients, solve clients' problems, finding new ways to deliver more value to our clients. So that's the essence of this award. And the first winner in this category is Raj Pradhan, who was during the last year with the retail vertical and has subsequently moved into Tata Sky. Over to you, Nauzar, to talk about Raj. Nauzar, you're on mute.
Apologies. This recognition is well deserving for Raj as part of his retail and high tech role last year. Strong focus on managing the customers, remarkable turnaround in NPS, transformed a negative 45 NPS to a positive 35. And mind you, this is across a multiple set of customers, I mean, and it's not a single customer. So his remit was a large number of customers with varying needs. He has championed setting up and scaling up the new projects, always delivering gold standard of service, and a huge focus on profitability and operating margins, where he delivered almost 43 crores of top line with almost an equal number of operating margins. So congratulations, Raj, and keep up the good work in the media vertical now. Thank you.
Yeah, the next winner in this category is Jalaj Karandikar, Associate Vice President Operations from Tata Motors.
Yeah. Jalaj, congratulations. Jalaj has been one of the key leaders of the auto and manufacturing vertical over the last couple of years. Again, played a fantastic role in transitioning from work from office to work from home during the COVID period, ensuring going beyond the call of duty to ensure that customer needs are met. The way he actually sort of promoted some of the COVID helplines for the customer in the pandemic time has actually helped customers, channel partners, drivers, and the end customers of Tata Motors. Yeah. He played a key role in arranging food and transport to the end customers stranded due to national lockdown also. Yeah. And this was appreciated by customers on the Tata Group Pulse platform, which we had circulated. So, Jalaj, well done and continue contributing.
Congratulations, Raj and Jalaj. The next category is the People Champion. This is for people who are leaders who attract and develop talent that is better than himself or herself, is seen as someone who are mentors. They are the people who are respected across the organization, and not only within their team, but across multiple teams and across multiple functions. So the first winner in this category is Rikhil Mehra, AVP Operations, Tata Sky Limited.
Yeah. Rikhil, congratulations. As we all know, Rikhil heads the outbound operations of Tata Sky for us. And he spends a lot of time developing his DRs, and making them successful. So just some key statistics, almost all 5 of his DRs have grown vertically in the organization, with one of them taking an independent process owner role. He has had a 0 attrition in his DR span in the last 6 years that he has been with Tata Business Support Services and Connect. And other than, of course, contributing substantially to the customer outcomes and customer delivery. But and I think that's a natural, when you groom your people, when you ensure that each of your people develop, I think customer outcomes are a given. So congratulations, Rikhil, and continue your good work.
The next winner in this category of People Champion is Malti Sampath, AVP HR. Malti is one of the strongest advocates of people. She fights and ensures that employees are well taken care. She stretches way beyond late nights, weekends, and there's no time limit in terms of what she in terms of stretch, and ensures that she connects with people and resolve their issues. She takes up complete ownership and executes any assignment that is given to her. During the pandemic, when we had to do some headcount rationalization and LOPs, she ensured that she was in all communications and took complete ownership and of that whole process, and ensured resolution of all people concerned. Made sure that people were taken well care of. She rallies her entire team during these tough times to ensure they stay connected with people. Congratulations, Malti. Thank you very much for your contribution. Really appreciate that. So with this, we have moved to the next category of awards, which is the Rapid Agility Award. This is for people or leaders who find creative ways to adapt our services to changing customer needs, find technology solutions to reduce waste, improve speed. They think out of the box and also challenge the status quo. In this category, the first winner is Brian D'Souza, AVP HR. Brian has always been on the place on the front foot when a situation is given to him, or a challenge that is thrown at him. He directly interacts with clients and manages as well as set their expectations. He has been delivering hiring headcount as per promised timelines. 500 plus people in Myntra or 1,000 plus people in Unistore are prime examples of his work style. Brian gets into details of hiring and takes the same to closure. He also takes his team along with him to ensure that hiring requirements are fully met. Great show, Brian. Really appreciate your contribution and proud that you're part of my team. Congratulations, Brian. The next winner in this category is Jitendra Gusai, AVP Operations, Tata Motors. Over to you now, sir.
Thank you, Jay. Yeah. Along with Jalaj, Jitendra is the second pillar of the auto and manufacturing vertical. And Jitendra again has demonstrated extraordinary performance during the pandemic time, which not only resulted in extra revenue to the company, but also is appreciated by the customer. And one example which I could take was, for Tata Steel, where we ensured business continuity within 24 hours across 5 locations when the BCP was not even part of the contract. Yeah. And he also transported systems, and that too, at discounted rates. Yeah. Other than that, of course, he's available almost 24/7 for his customers to ensure that we continue to delight and outperform. Yeah, and his efforts were recognized by the Tata Steel Chief Procurement Officer. So congratulations, Jitendra, and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Nausar. Congratulations to all the winners so far. Now it's time for a strategic break. Over to you, Anamika.
Thank you, Jess. I must share this, though it's a little out of, but it's an internal program, and I think I can take the liberty that Jess has kept this list very confidential. And to hear my name and to hear a few other names, which I, in my heart, know that, people who really push themselves, Ashu, Ali Haider, who really made this company stand up. It really felt very good. Thank you. Thank you to the leadership team for that. Moving on. Well, the thing about Connect is that every time you go down a positive note and then sometimes you go down a negative note, but it always surprises me. So my line would be Connect is a great place to work because when I feel it's time to hang the boots, it pulls me back in. That's my line. And of course, it's not up for being rewarded, but you guys have a chance. So go ahead, complete this line, put in your answers in the chat sheet. And if between Jess, Nausar and Neeraj, they feel your answer is the best, there's a lovely gift voucher coming your way. So Connect is a great place to work because, come on, get your answers in there, guys. And Jess, back to you, because I think people are very eager to know what are the other categories that we are looking forward to this evening. So back to you, Jess. Guys, I don't see anyone writing back. I think people are thinking.
Let's give them a couple of minutes.
We have close to 100 people. Oh, back to you, Jess. I'm sure they'll think it and write.
Yeah, let's give them a minute or two to just ping, and then we'll.
It's a great place to learn, but it's anonymous. We don't give anonymous gift vouchers, so you have to give your name. So Mahesh says it gives growth for empowerment. I'm wondering who's Mahesh? Yes. That's a good one. The anonymous person who said it's a great place to learn, please give your name. We have over 100 people attending and I just have 2 people. Oh, we have Jana. Connect is a great place to work because we respect and encourage each other. That's a super one, Jana. Absolutely. We absolutely respect each other, love each other, fight with each other. The fighting is also important. So you can think up your answer and type it out. Guys, they should be a little more fast and furious, I think. So back to you, Jess.
Okay. Thank you, Anamika. Okay, so the next set of awards, these are the more performance awards. The first one in this category is the Rising Star. This aims to recognize a new recruit, somebody who has joined in the last 12 to 15 months, has quickly adapted into the Connect and Quest culture, and has found ways to improve business beyond expectations, has significantly made a difference either to the customers or to their function. And somebody was contributed as a newbie. It takes some time. The first winner in this category is Vishwas Chopde from Tata Communications, General Manager, Operations.
Yeah, congrats, Vishwas. Vishwas has actually, for those of you who may not be aware, Vishwas joined us, I think, just before the lockdown to build a new practice building role, and working with Sudhir in the collection side. He has bought in already 6 new leads, and he's working around it. He takes ownership of generating the lead, working on the solution, and making the pitch, including leading a new tech solution, which which the organization does not have innate expertise in. So, congrats, Vishwas. This should not stop you, but you have many more miles to go and objectives to meet. So you must set up our B2B collections practice as a vibrant one before the end of this financial year. Congrats, Vishwas, and keep at it.
Thank you, Naza. The next winner in this category is Imtiaz Mohammad Hussain, Senior Manager, Business Development. Thompson, his functional head, would like to talk about the contribution of Imtiaz.
Thanks, Chase. So congratulations, Imtiaz. Imtiaz has been extremely an early adapter of the digital insight methodology and positioning our company has embarked upon, and he's very quickly adapted to that and graduated, if I say, from an early mover perspective, from a classic BPS to digital enabled BPS. And he's been successful in extremely bringing home 5 or 6 new logos in Sales Ops in a Box, which are extreme, apt examples of technology embedded into operations, and also trying to add value to our customers, where we are linking our outcomes to business metrics. I think that's a great job done, Imtiaz, and he's been a role model for other sales folks to follow as well. Congratulations.
Thank you, Thompson. The next winner in this category is Anish Pandit, General Manager, Business Development. Is part of the pre-sales team.
Yeah. Thanks, Jake, and congratulations, Anish. Anish is no stranger. This is the second innings. I think having come back the second time around, I think he's quickly ramped up. And in terms of his ability to provide digital solutions and orchestrating new business solutions and commercial models, and he's really added strength and teeth to our go-to-market. And he's also been an effective bridge between customers, sales, and practices, and helping us stay our course in a digital-enabled, solutions-led transformation business. Congratulations, Anish.
Thank you, Thompson. Let's move on to the next category of awards, which is the innovator. These are for people who have implemented new ideas or made improvements which had made significant impact to the organization. They have changed the way we think about a particular service or a process. These are people who will take risk and which has resulted in significant positive outcomes. The first winner in this category is Pascal Leon Baker, AVP Business Development. And he's part of the digital practice, so he wears multiple hats like Thompson. Over to you, Thompson.
Yeah, Thanks, Jace. And, congratulations, Leon. And like Jace said, Leon is wearing multiple hats, right, from digital solutions to a DPX practice to leading the pre-sale solutions, and recently also taking over the Quest SSC, transformation and transition. I think, few things, one, though the award says an innovator award, I think, Leon has gone beyond his call of duty, has always been able to go beyond boundaries and borders. The second thing I think is always brought his operational experience to the fore and ability to think out of the box and solve problems and adapt and adopt technology to drive better results. So fundamentally, he's been the unsung hero, the way I look at it, for all of us for a long period of time, and has been extremely, effective in helping various sales leaders and the organization succeed as well. And I'm happy to congratulate Leon on this award. Congrats, Leon.
Thank you, Thompson. Let's move on to the next category of awards. This is the Transcendent Doer award. This is for people who take significant ownership. They put their personal interest behind and then put the organization interest ahead. Like they take larger decision in the larger interest of the organization. They lead and drive cross-sell or work across multiple functions to ensure that work gets done. The first winner in this category is Liju Gopalan, AVP Operations, is part of the Kotak Mahindra Bank process.
Yeah. Thanks, Jays. Liju, heartiest congratulations. Liju has been part of the journey from Enex to Connect, TBSS and now Connect, being more than 7 years in the system. He's led multiple projects at that time, Tata Tele, BOB, Axis, Agri, Kotak, Yes Bank. He had also put in his hat and volunteered to be part of the Central Excellence Team experiment, which we actually tried 4 years ago. And before he moved back to core operations, he has driven multiple innovations and has also recently been associated with the new model we are trying for the Bajaj gig working. And, he's a key leader who's doing that. He also looks at cross-sells very, very effectively, where he puts multiple of our services before customers to ensure that, we widen and deepen the relationship. Yeah. And as part of the Kotak piece, he actually devised the collections propensity model for Kotak RARD, which is still being pitched across various business development initiatives with new customers. So congratulations, Liju, and keep contributing.
Thank you, Nausar. The other winner in this category is Sridhar Reddy, Deputy Manager Finance. I think some technical problems and Krishnan has not joined in. So I will read out on the behalf of Krishnan the citation. Sridhar joined us about 15 months back, and as a new entrant, while getting his way of understanding the culture, he has taken the challenge of handling the payroll disbursement process and payroll accounting in addition to the KRA on direct access, which was originally what he was hired for, but because of some person going on a leave, he had to take up. But he quickly understood the nuances and started doing the job extremely well. So he ensured timely disbursement and payroll accounting for smooth closure, ensuring correctness and improvements in the ESS system for seamless payroll posting into SAP. He also ensured during the COVID period that accurate salary processing happened and it was all updated into the system. His regular follow-up and submission of necessary clarification to IT department resulted in refund of an amount upwards of 44 crores from the government, saving through timely submission of LTDS applications and obtaining the LTDS certificates, which increased to 1.9 as compared to 1% in the previous year. Thank you, Sridhar. Great job. I think you will really be an asset to the organization. Okay, with this we end this category of awards. The next is the High Flyer Award. These are for people who have achieved or done extremely well in the KPIs as part of the appraisal process. Yeah, Naozer?
Yeah, I think Jais, we have missed. Can you make me live?
Yeah, sorry.
I think we have missed Sumesh.
Yeah, sorry, it is my mistake. Yeah, Sumesh was in the innovator category. Sorry, my Sumesh Nair. So over to you, Naozer, to talk about.
Yes, sorry to break your flow, but I thought.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, no, Sumesh, congratulations. Again, Sumesh has been, like Liju, been with us through multiple org changes, eNext, Tata Business Support Services Connect. And his key part of the innovation was really working on the WFH application solution, more popularly known as SmartSys, and getting it running in less than 72 hours. Yeah, and that was a huge benefit in retaining 3 customers, ensuring that you could enable work from home. And even after that, he has worked with partners to bring about constant upgrades and kept innovating to meet the changing requirements of the business, including screen recording, amongst others. Yeah. And actually, we have gone through 4 upgrades in 3 months, all seamlessly. Yeah. And not only that, we have actually now started the process of monetizing this with a couple of early customers signed on. So Sumesh, keep innovating and all the best.
Yeah, sorry, there was some mix-up. Okay, so back to the High Flyer category. These are for people who overachieved on their KPIs during the last appraisal process. They have delivered beyond their KRAs, and they have actually the leading lights or role models for other people in the organization. So in this category, we have quite a few winners, and hence I will quickly run through them. The first person in this category is Parag Thale, Senior Manager Finance. Can we move to the next slide? Can we move to the next slide?
Yeah, it was going pretty well. So we did have to have a technical glitch, no?
Yeah.
I think it's back. Yeah.
I will just hold for a second.
Yeah. Thanks, Nisha. Thanks for pointing it out. We are holding. Let us know when. So I got a lot more comments, Jess. People say that, because we walked the path together. Devajit says that. Priyangana says that because it builds high trust among employees and creates high performance culture. And we have Christine, she's written a big one. Connect is a great place to work because it is very thoughtful to all employees and has stood with us in every situation and makes me feel very proud to be part of such an esteemed organization. Some very nice, Christine. Ruby sent it to me on the WhatsApp. She said, Connect is a great place to work because it keeps us connected. Tanvi says, because it helps me connect my talent to opportunities. Wow, Tanvi, that sounds awesome. Of course, there was this famous one that won the competition. I'm trying to look for that. Well, Ravi Kumar Mistry, congratulations, because you won 10 years. And Indranil and Veni, I'm waiting for you guys to give me a go ahead at some point. We have great people, says Praveen Kumar. And Vijay, of course, being the marketeer, Well, said something very nice and I scrolled past it. 1 second, Vijay, I'm trying to get it. Yes, progress to perfection. Wow, that sounds very nice. Suchi says that it presents new learning opportunities every day. And that's true because me and Suchi go back and forth with lots of stuff. So I know. Well, Rikhil says it values employees roti, kapda and makan. And this was the comment that I think got Rikhil award from the Quest award also. So Rikhil, thank you for sharing the comment and just changing it to connect. That's good innovation, huh? That all sounds good. Indranil, are we good to go?
Just 2 minutes, ma'am. There is a network
Okay.
issue here.
Okay. Praveen Rai says Connect is a great place to work because we care about each other. That's quite true, and that's why we are holding this ceremony today. And it's important that, you know, while on the 6th of November, while the great grand event will happen, some of us will make it to that forum, some of us will not. But internal recognition of how we have fought through COVID, how our leaders got onto a call every day at 11 o'clock, how the strategy for the day was discussed. And then again at 5:36, it was discussed about what happened, which kept the engine moving. I think those are all things that are getting reflected. Tanvi say is because it helps me connect my talent to opportunities. Great, Tanvi. Now, Jalit says, Connect is a great place to work because it ensures we stay connected with employees and clients and continue to be relevant in changing business environment. And what a change. How much life has changed for all of us in the last couple of months is amazing. Earlier, we used to always say, how many people will be there? And, you know, it was always in the place that we were. Now it's virtual. We've had 110 attendees today. This is, of course, being recorded live, and we'll be sharing it with all the other colleagues who are still on the floor working hard. Hopefully, they'll all see this. And yeah, I mean, yes, life has changed. Great comment there. Zulfi has posted anonymously, but he's written his name. And he says, Connect is a great place to work because it emerges as a trustworthy brand in the marketplace. तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर जुल्फी ये बहुत और बढ़े और हम लोग और अच्छा करें because the marketplace and how we are perceived will decide how many new and exciting customers Thomson brings in. So yes, that's a very important one, to be perceived as good, honest, hardworking people and employees, and I think we are. That's very true what you say. I hope I have read all of them out. Ajit Hire, sorry, boss, I forgot you. It says Connect is a great place to work because of the fast and furious leaders that we have. Now that sounds like Fast and Furious was which hero, I forget. But yes, I agree with you. I'm just trying to see and think which are the fast leaders and which are the furious leaders, or are they all combined in one? Thanks, Ajit, for that comment. I think we've completely lost. Can we go back live, Veni, Indranil?
Another 5 minutes.
Oh, another 5 minutes. Thomson, Jess, should we have maybe Amitabh tell us about his journey of how, you know, how he came into the organization new and had this great challenge that he had to live up to?
Anamika, it's already been spoken multiple times. It's not
No,
very
but it would be nice to, because I have read all the comments, Sergi, and I I have to keep this going for
There are-
next 5 minutes.
No, there are a lot more kind of, what do you say, front-ending people who have done a lot of good stuff
True,
that
true,
ensured
true.
customers stayed with us, right?
True.
Jais, why don't you start reading? I mean, because this is a high flyer list anyway.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion, Nazar.
We'll catch up with the audio visual.
Over to you, Jess.
Okay, while we kind of sort this technical glitch figure out, I think anyway, I think since it's getting recorded, you will be able to see it later on as well. So the first winner in the high flyer category is Parag Thale, in the finance. Parag is part of the CEO's office, and Parag demonstrates great sense of responsibility and ownership and completes tasks given to him, most often on time and to acceptable qualities. Towards some of the streamlining and control initiatives were really good, especially the DSO and collections activity, the shrinkage, and he now anchors some of the business for the end combined operations. Congrats, Parag. The next winner in this category is Prashant Jogimat, operations. He's part of the Prashant moved, joined us as part of the transition from Quest, the entire shared services. Prashant has been involved in the entire process of streamlining the shared services operations, which resulted in significant reduction in cost, increasing efficiency, and was also involved in many of the digitization projects. The next winner in this category, Deepthi Prakash, Senior Manager Operations, Tata Motors Process. She has ensured that all our team members are extremely happy. There's no escalations and ensured 100% compliance to all agreed SOPs from a very, very demanding customer. The next winner in the high flyer category is Sachin Premraj Jadhav, Senior Manager Operations, Uday Process. Sachin has achieved 149% of the revenue target, 145% of his market. His attrition in his team has been 50% of his target, and shrinkage also significantly low. Fabulous performance. I think this is something that everybody should try and emulate. Great performance, Sachin. Thank you very much for your contribution. Praveen Balakrishna Rai, Senior Manager. Praveen is part of two teams. He's also part of the TAG as well as the EP team, and he manages this entire work out of Pune with a small team. He balances both these roles and ensures that he delivers equally well on controlling attrition as well as hiring is done on time, well within the and with high recruiter productivity. Praveen has ensured there is minimal escalations from his stakeholders. The next winner is Pradeep Singh, Senior Manager Operations, Tata Sky Process. Pradeep has managed complete revenue and sales business approximately about 400 FTEs per month. And the way he has managed his work and processes, CBS get rewards from clients to the tune of about 15 lakhs last year. Great job. I think Pradeep, getting rewards from clients is a really great achievement. The next winner in this category is Aarti Theeman, Senior Manager HR. Aarti was responsible for driving the 101 prevention program to ensure that training attrition was under control, and this enabled us to have sufficient staffing in the processes at the end of the training program. Attrition was at an average of 70% at the enterprise level She was involved in manpower reconciliation, attrition prediction, and tracking of attrition, and that also resulted in significant improvement in employee retention. The next winner in this category is Tanya Isaki Raja, Senior Manager Quality. Raja was responsible for the entire 14,001 and 45,001 new certification and implementation of it successfully. He started with the coordination of all stakeholders, internal and external, then the gap assessment to stage 1 audits and final stage 2 audits and the certification BSI audit. He also managed the VOC action planning process across all clusters, which helped achieve an NPS of 47 for our company. Great performance, Raja. Really appreciate your contribution, and we're proud of all of you. The next winner in the high fly category is Shashi Putran, Senior Manager Workforce Management. Shashi has excelled in all categories, be it capacity planning, seat utilization, cost control, salary and transport, which is the salary and transport cost, revenue and risk management, billing governance, team management, and attrition control. He also conducted many internal sessions and worked very closely with enabling functions. Great performance, Shashi. Thank you for being part of Connect. The next winner in this category is Prasad HNV, Senior Manager Technology. Prasad was instrumental in conceptualizing the work from home setup and implementation of the POC for Swiggy. This actually played a significant role during the pandemic, and because of all the effort that Prasad had done in the past, we were quickly able to scale up our WF work from home across the country, across all these locations. Thank you, Prasad, for your contribution. The next winner is Soumitra Nandi, Senior Manager, Tata Steel. Soumitra efficiently and effectively managed the MRO procurement process for the client. His team maximized the revenue and had the highest contribution. He ensured high customer sat by providing cost savings for the client and for work on many, and because of the work on many improvement initiatives. He has been a regular recipient of client appreciation. Next in line is Chirantan Kumar, Senior Manager Collections. 100% overachievement of revenues and operating margin targets. Quarter on quarter, consistent business volume growth throughout the year. Created value with deployment of analytics and digital collections application, thereby helped in the improvement of ACRs, leading to cost reduction. Thank you, Chirantan. Great performance. The next winner is Hemakant SVN, AVP Operations Unistore. Again, a fabulous performance, 115% of revenue target, 118% on operating margin target, attrition at 5.2%, and NPS moved from 50 to 100. Stupendous performance, Hemakant. Thank you. The next winner, Aditya Kilambi, AVP Technology. Aditya was involved in network security implementation from work from home for the Swiggy POC. He came with the recommendation on VPN, which is the cheapest, most secure, and the one which could be implemented in the least time. So actually the effort and contribution that he did in the last year before the pandemic actually enabled us to initiate the entire work from home very efficiently and effectively during the pandemic. The next winner is Sudhakar Sahu, AVP Finance. Sudhakar, when he had a significantly expanded role at the beginning of the year, and he has significantly exceeded the expectations with his execution. He handles a significantly demanding MIS requirement and multiple audit processes and met even the expectations of our parent Quest. The next winner is Ashish Gia, the cluster head for BFSI CLM. On all parameters, Ashish did extremely better than target with highest OM achievement amongst all clusters. Also highest positive variance on OM percentage. Attrition also was within the budget. Thank you, Ashish, for lead cluster and for all your contributions. Really appreciate your contribution. The next winner is Ashish Kumar, Senior Manager Business. Ashish achieved a full potential ACV of 160 crores, won a total of 36 deals. Solutions that he submitted to large RFPs were even appreciated by clients. He demonstrated excellent teamwork and interpersonal skills with no escalations. And the last winner in this category is Karan Gupta, Senior Manager Business Development. He had a target of 3.5 crores. He overachieved it and reached a target 7.7 crores of revenue achievement. They are therefore contributed more than 30% of the team's revenue. He also was able to bring in about 3 to 4 substantial logos to connect. Thank you, Karan, for your contribution. I congratulate all the winners of the High Flyers for their contribution. Really appreciate and thank them for their contribution. Okay, so now we move on to the, I think where technology is back. We're back to. So this is the team award. This is the Digital All Stars award, which is basically for a team which has contributed significantly to innovation and helped customers meet their requirements. So the team which has been involved in improving people, process, technology to provide great service to customers and also meet some of the challenges that customers pose to us. So the winner in this category is the Beachbody Admin and Automation team. Over to you, Nazar, to talk about the contribution of this Beachbody Admin and Automation team.
Thanks, Jays. Yeah. So the Beachbody admin team, has delivered a solid performance again during the pandemic. We got additional 40% volume in the first week of April, but the team came together very well to enter the entire volume without much impact on the service levels. They quickly enabled work from home, access provision for testers, developers through VPNs, established connections with the Beachbody network to support production. The team of developers and testers worked almost 24/7 with multiple systems at home to ensure productivity is not impacted. Overall, the team handled about 500,000 transactions, 5 lakh transactions in Q1 and Q2, with the bots processing around 70% of that. Yeah, 20% improvement in the bot handle time with about 99+% accuracy. Yeah. Team also developed and deployed 4 additional bots for new product launches within a week. So overall, the team deployed almost, saved almost significant amount of overtime and handled all issues related to work from home, besides generating additional revenue of almost in excess of 1 crore during the pandemic. Yeah. So for all the relentless work and sincerity in the time of crisis, we recognize the Beachbody team for the Digital All-Star Award. Congratulations, Beachbody, Rajesh, Saravanan and the team.
Okay, now that we have the screen, okay, can we just run through the entire High Flyer list from beginning to end? I think people will get to see the winners. Yeah. That's Parag. That's Prashant. Deepthi. Okay. Sachin. Praveen. Pradeep. Aarti. Tanya Raja, Shashi Putran, Prasad, Samitra, Chirantan, Hemakant, Aditya, Sudhakar, Ashish Kumar, and Karan Gupta. Once again, congratulations to all of you. We also want to recognize and say thank you to all the people who have contributed during the pandemic in ensuring that there's business continuity and customers' business continues. Over to you, Nausar, to talk about that.
Yeah, and saving definitely not, last but not the least, from the management team, we want to do one more special recognition award and bring it up, Jace.
Yeah.
Right. So this award is to Sudhir Thakur, Rajesh Hegde, Savita Patnekar, Ashish Gia, Sandeep Datta, Raman Gopal, Anirban Chakravarti, and their teams for demonstrating exemplary commitment, during particularly during the pandemic period and beyond. Yeah. So I'm personally aware, we are all aware, of the amount of time they have spent with each of their customers, balancing customer outcomes, balancing organization outcomes in terms of, the revenues, the profitability, and believe me, I think it's not an easy balance. Yeah, I mean, talking to customers, asking for huge price discounts, ensuring that we hold the business, at the same time, we try to do it profitability, taking some difficult calls in the early days of, actually communicating some of the salary, cuts which we had to do. Yeah, so I think a fantastic balanced performance, balancing all our stakeholders, customers, stakeholders, and shareholders in terms of profitability, and ensuring that, people are rightly motivated in spite of the difficult times. So take a bow, all the operations cluster heads, and well done.
Thank you. And yeah, thank you all the cluster heads and their team for their contribution. Yeah, so before I hand it over to Anamika, I want to wish all of you a very happy Diwali, all the greetings of the festival, and enjoy, have good time with your families, and stay safe and be healthy. Thank you very much. Over to you, Anamika.
Thank you, Jess. So before we close this lovely evening, I think there have been a lot of surprises. The list was kept even more secure than the Fort Knox, I can tell you that. So I know there must be a lot of happiness across. The biggest thing is that as this program was going on, I reached out to my team. For each one of us, I think the good part is that we don't see it as an individual win. We always see it as a team win. So thanks, Jess. Thanks for recognizing our teams. And thanks for recognizing the fact that, as leaders, the quorum has really come through for us as a company. While there are companies who are struggling, we are at least, doing well for ourselves. So now a fun game before we end the evening. The answers can be sent by email to me, or you can, send them, write them here. But I would suggest better that you send it across. The game is an interesting one. It's called Guess Who. So we are giving you pictures of 4 leaders. We'll also be sharing this on the email tag that we have with you. And you can then decide who these leaders are and send it to us. The top 5 people will be getting a gift voucher from Jess. So here are the leaders. The first one was a handsome, I think, rock star look guy wanting to be in a band. So take your pick who is. Next. That's like the sweetest baby. That's the kind of baby whose cheeks you want to pull. I'm not sure if we can do it today. He's a very, very senior person. So guys, don't take me literally, but guess who that is? Next. This, even I don't remember, but I kind of can sense that, it's a person who's up and walking and doing stuff. So he's a leader who's very well recognized now in the system and is doing very good for himself. So that's the third one that we have. And now that's the last one. That looks like a really handsome, but I can't recognize it. So if you can, don't worry, we'll be sending you all these 4 pictures by evening today in your email boxes. Have a look, make sure that you get the answers right, and then send the answers back to us. And the first 5 people will be getting a gift voucher. We will try and make sure that all the gifts and the list of who won the gifts today is published by tomorrow. So thank you. Thank you. Oh, I already have answers pouring into my WhatsApp. And let me tell you here that the LC is exempt from this because this is a test that we've already done during COVID. So most of the LC leaders who are responding back already know the answers. So the LC is not allowed to answer this. But thank you, guys. Thank you for this wonderful evening. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you, Nazir, for being here. Thank you, Jess. And we will see you on the 6th of November at the main Sangam Awards. And Shabba Khair for now. Have a great Diwali, and hopefully we shall be doing a fun activity. Stay tuned. We've heard some conversation about getting some comedy here and some good fun in food. So we shall be back. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And good evening.